love me.
That you love me.
And I believe that you do.
I believe.
This little bird told me I was falling.
Really falling.
Falling for no one but you.
No one but you.
There's no use denying, I might as well confess. Of all the ones I know, dear, I'm sure I love you best.
A little bird told me we'd be happy.
Oh, so happy.
And I believe that it's true.
So true.
This little bird told me we'll be married.
Gonna get married.
And I believe that it's true.
This little bird told me when we marry,
When we get married.
we'll have a pretty cottage not too far.
Yeah.
All fenced in like a movie star.
Solid.
Great Dane pup, we'll call him Ace.
A lying there by the fireplace.
Gone.
Goldfish pond and a wishing well.
Everything is gonna turn out swell.
A little bird told us she'd be married, and we believe that it's true. This little bird said she'd have a family. Now tell us what we're gonna do.
We'll have a pretty cottage not too far.
Yeah.
All fenced in like a movie star.
Solid.
Great Dane pup, we'll call him Ace.
Who?
Lying there by the fireplace.
A
Gone.
goldfish pond and a wishing well.
Everything is gonna turn out swell.
A little bird told us we'll be married, and we believe that it's true. And now I know that it's true. In June.